Today I will be showing you a different tool to use for when you're doing your sorting projects at home. This project can be used with your classmates or at home. So you're going to click on this button here, the Screencast project. This will bring you to a page with a video on it here. That'll be the video that I'll have and a link up here. Please go ahead and click on that link. It'll go ahead and bring you to this page. This is a sorting and classifying work, which is what we've been talking about in class. So you're going to have to read. Make sure your volume's on so that you'll be able to hear it. There, so now we know it's on. So you're going to listen to what your instructions are.
Sort the buttons.
So we're going to sort these buttons here. Then we're going to listen to what we're sorting them into. So squares. And flowers. So we're going to go ahead and do it. That's not right. So flowers, squares. And then we're going to go ahead and have it check our answer for us. So there. So now we're going to read the next set of instructions.
Sort the buttons.
Sort the buttons.
Yellow.
So we're going to sort them into yellow,
green,
and green. So I really enjoy this activity because it has multiple different sorting techniques. We can do shapes, we can do colors, sizes. So it really covers all of the stuff we've been talking about in class and gives you an opportunity to use it either at home or in school. So when you're done, you can go ahead and do as many as you want. I've answered one question and it shows me how much time I've been using. So I can keep going, and everybody's is going to be a little bit different.
Sort the buttons.
So we're sorting the buttons again. Kind of the whole idea of this.
Circles. Flowers.
And flowers. So circles and flowers here. You might notice up here that all of these are in different colors now, so it means you can't sort them into colors per se. So let's see if we do this opposite. See what happens. Oh, so it says it's not quite right. So here's our explanation. These buttons are called circles. They're shaped like a circle. These buttons are shaped like a flower. So in here it shows us the correct answers and gives you an explanation. So this is a pretty cool way to do it, I believe. So I hope you enjoy it.